Hi, I'm Edmer, your trusted Filipino real estate advisor here in British Columbia. Today, let's talk about something many first-time home buyers overlook, buying a half duplex. It can be a smart way to step into the housing market pero may mga bagay na kailangan yung malaman bago kayo bumili. Number one, affordability advantage. A half duplex is usually more affordable than a single family detached home. Same number of bedrooms, same size yard sometimes, pero mas mura. That's why it's attractive to first-time buyers. It's a good stepping stone to building equity. Number two, shared wall, shared concerns. Remember, you'll be sharing one wall with your neighbor. Hindi siya condo, pero you're still connected. That means soundproofing, maintenance, and even how your neighbor maintains their side can affect your home's value and your living experience. Number three, party wall agreement. Since you share a wall, you may come across something called a party wall agreement. Ano yon? It's a legal document between you and your neighbor that clearly sets out responsibilities for that shared wall, like repairs, insurance, and any changes you want to make. This protects both owners para walang gulo in the future. For example, if repairs are needed, the agreement can state how costs will be shared fairly. Always review this with your lawyer before closing. Number four, land ownership benefits. Unlike a condo, you actually own the land your half duplex sits on. That gives you more freedom for renovations, landscaping, or even adding a legal suite kung allowed sa zoning ng city. But always check city bylaws first. Number five, no strata fees, usually. Most half duplexes don't have monthly strata fees, so more savings compared to a townhouse or condo. Pero that also means walang management company. Ikaw at ang kapitbahay mo ang responsible for exterior maintenance like roofs, fences, or driveways. Number six, resale value considerations. Half duplexes often appreciate well, especially in family-friendly neighborhoods. But take note, buyers may still prefer a fully detached home. Kaya location is everything. Choose areas near schools, parks, and transit for better resale value. Number seven, financing and inspection. Getting a mortgage for a half duplex works just like a detached home. But make sure you get a thorough inspection, lalo na sa shared walls, roof, plumbing, and foundation. Any issues could cost you and your neighbor later. Buying a half duplex can be a fantastic first step into home ownership. You get the balance of affordability, ownership, and independence. Pero the key is having the right guidance. Kaya if you're thinking of buying your first half duplex, call me for a free consultation.